So hello traders, this is Bubli here from ForexDiva, and today is the 22nd of November 2021, and I am streaming here live from London. Okay, so talking about the pound dollar, we see price going down at the moment, and price is below the 50 moving average, and it has was struggling to get down from there. I just get this a little bit. Yeah, and then it has cross paths. So we see, and we get a confirmation also because the background is colored. So that's a higher time frame confirmation. This is our momentum indicator, which gives us the confirmations of our trades. And yeah, so we still see the sterling below the 50 moving averages, and that breakout gives us an indication that it wants to go further down. And the next level is, of course, 1.32754. This is according to Owanda in Trading View. Of course, it will not go all the way down straight, so it will take its turn. So I think the first stop could be here and then here, like that. So if it wants to get there, maybe a little bit there. Yeah. So that is what we find could happen according to what we see. We trade according to what we see, not what we think. So we see that happening at the moment. And if we see that this is going in the right direction, well and good. If not, if it retraces back, it's the market, it could do that. If it retraces, retraces back and it goes above there, so I would be very, very wary of if it crosses that line, and a stop loss above this, the moving average. Yeah, if it crosses there, we can, there are more chances of going up. But at the moment, this looks quite it looks like a trade happening. It has touched that. Oh, it's going further down as I speak. So yeah, so this is what we have seen the pound doing. Take care. I hope this was helpful. I'll speak to you later.